Wow, OpenAI just dropped a major upgrade, ChatGPT-5. And Microsoft announced just yesterday that it's already available inside of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So that means smarter AI with PhD level reasoning, dramatically fewer hallucinations, and better support across your emails, your files, your meetings, all your Microsoft 365 apps. It's pretty awesome, right? So if you want to learn more about ChatGPT-5, make sure that you join one of our live classes. You can see the schedule below, or make sure you're just following us on social media as you continue to learn more about what these great AI tools can do for you. What's that? Do the tagline: stay ahead, stay savage, be AI ready.